In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can update the YouTube app on Android. So the first step is to head to the Google Play Store. Then this is very easy. In the search bar, just type YouTube, hit search, and then you want to tap on YouTube. Now it says uninstall and open, but if there is an update available, instead of saying open there in green, it's going to say update. All you will need to do is tap the update button. It will download the update, install the update for you, and then you'll have the latest version of the YouTube app. If you don't want to go in manually every single time and update the app, you can go back, then tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. Once you're on this screen, tap on settings near the bottom there. And then you want to tap on network preferences and then auto update apps. Select Wi-Fi only, and then when you're on a Wi-Fi network, your app will be automatically updated, as well as any other apps that need updating. I don't recommend setting it to over any network because that will use your data. So that is how you update the YouTube app on Android. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.